Here's a case where instead of being given the center and the radius like we were previously, we're given the center and the area. So we know the center. We can go ahead and write that right away. -5, 4. But I don't know the radius. I do know the area. And if I don't remember, I just go to my formula sheet. But the area of a circle, that formula is pi r squared. So that means this 81 pi is equal to pi r squared. Well, I can divide by pi. Those cancel out. So 81 is the radius squared. Well, we know the square root of 81 is 9. So I do now have the radius. And now that I have the center and the radius, I can write the equation. Notice the order here. I don't bother trying to write the equation until I have both the center and the radius. So now we have x plus, okay, why is that plus? Because the h is negative. Now here k is positive, so we will maintain that negative sign equals 9 squared is 81. So I have x plus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 81. The center of -5, 4, we knew that already. And the radius of 9, we actually had to calculate that from the area.
Whoops, forgot to square this. Square. I said squared, but I didn't actually write it. Both parentheses should be squared.
Here's an example where I'm given the center, but instead of the radius or the area, I'm given the circumference. Well, we know the formula for the circumference of a circle, and if we don't, we can certainly look it up on our formula sheet. The circumference is pi times diameter, but since we're looking for the radius, and we know the radius is half the diameter, that is, the diameter is twice the radius, we'll use the formula circumference equals 2 pi r, because that'll give us the radius right away. So this 14 pi is equal to 2 pi r. Dividing by pi gives us 14 equals 2r. And with some arithmetic, r must be 7. So we know the center, segment -12. And now we also know the radius. So we can write the equation. X minus 7 squared plus y plus 12. Remember, subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive, equals 49. And there's some more you can try there.